Hello beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of the video, I'm going to be showing you how I tint and laminate my brows at home. As you can probably hear by my voice, I'm a little under the weather, but I realized that I didn't make an intro for this video, so that is what this is for. This is actually like a week after doing this process and everything, so they're still a little tinted and they're definitely still laminated, so it is perfect. I absolutely love this and do recommend you doing it at home. It cost me about 30 bucks and I got the products from HEB, and I still have remaining product to do this again. So yeah, I'm about to show you the process in this video. Please need to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in a second. Okay, so starting off, we're in my bathroom. Hello, because I feel like this would have just been an easier process to do in my bathroom. So I tied my hair up and everything to go ahead and get started. At first, I was going to do the tinting first, but after seeing a few videos over like brow lamination and brow tint, everyone seems to be doing the lamination first and then the tinting, so I'm gonna do that. So to laminate my brows, as you saw, I am doing the Ardell brow lamination kit. This was about 20 bucks and I got it just from HEB. I don't know where else you can get it from. I'm sure Ulta or something of some way, but I think it's mainly just up to you. For the tinting purposes, I'm going to be using the Just for Men Mustache and Beard Tint. This is in the shade Real Black. I got the one that said won't wash out because they have one that says won't wash out and then multiple application. I'm nervous because I got the one that says won't wash out, but I mean, I don't know. And then I also have just a plain spoolie, and I bought this e.l.f. Angled Brush Duo that has the spoolie side and the angled brush side. Okay, so starting out, just gonna go ahead and open up the lamination box. So straight out of the pack, this is what is in it. These are the little like combs, I guess, to be able to brush your brow hairs up. It comes with all of the solution and everything that you need. It comes with a little spoolie and comes with like little mini saran wraps to be able to wrap your eyebrows with. So I'm gonna do all of this, and I think I'm gonna just make this part a voiceover, just because since I also don't know what I'm doing, I feel like it'll be better for me explaining it once it's done. So I'm gonna do that. All right, so right now you just see me brushing through my brow hairs with a spoolie. Then I'm gonna take the little solution, the #1 solution, and the little brow comb it comes with, and I'm just gonna start applying it to my brows like so. Okay, so I now have like the brow glue and everything on my brows, and I'm gonna move on to the next step. I also did want to say it does not include cotton swabs, and you're gonna need them to like dip into the solution, because for this next one it says use a cotton swab to dip into style solution, which is the bottle #2, and apply onto brows. Cover brows with plastic film. Leave for 5 minutes. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to take like the little bottle and everything, and I'm going to take a cotton swab, put it onto the thing. This is when you're going to lose the little like plastic wrap thingies. All right, so this part, pretty self-explanatory, just applying the next solution #2 onto my brows, and just going to be covering it in that plastic wrap. Okay, so now that I have the solution and everything on my brows, they said you want to let it sit for 5 minutes. So I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes and then I'll be back afterwards. Okay, so it's been the time that it was supposed to be. So I'm going to gently remove the plastic like it says to do. Ugh, jeez. And after you remove the plastic film, it says using the mini comb, brush brow hair upwards to remove excess glue and style solution. And then we're gonna use this, number 4, to then use another cotton swab to apply that onto our brows and then recovering it. Okay, so now going into the neutralizer. I'm just gonna take another cotton swab, dipping it in, putting it on your brows, my brows, potato, potato. Now you wanna wrap it back in plastic wrap. I'm just gonna wrap it in the same plastic wrap, just opposite sides, because I really don't want to overuse any plastic. I don't feel bad. And then after that, you let it sit for 5 minutes and I'll come back after 5 minutes. All right, so now it has been 5 more minutes. I can peel these both off. And I toss it to the side to put in the trash later. And it says to take a damp washcloth and just get off the excess glue and everything. So I'm gonna do that. And it comes with like a little oil solution thing. I'm not going to use that just yet. I'm going to wait and use that after I tint my brow. So now we're going into the tinting process, and I've done this before. So I actually think I've also done it before on my channel, if I'm not mistaken, in a very old video. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be putting the product in, and here is the color developer and the, what is this? Color base. You wanna put an equal part of both into your thing. I just put like a little tiny pea size amount. I'll show you soon what I do. Okay, so literally like that and that, like you can see, equal size amount. You're just gonna stir it up with something. I'm just gonna use the end of a spoolie and just mix it around. Make sure it's mixed around good. After it's been mixed around, I should have already had this open. Using this, I'm gonna use a little angle side, dip a little bit into the thing, and I start with the end of my brow. And I kind of just go through shaping. And I'm very careful with this. To do like little cleanups and everything, I'm taking a cotton swab, just dry. It is a dry cotton swab, and I'm just going through and like cleaning up any areas of the brow I didn't want to have any product on it. Okay, so this is how they're looking for right now. You also want to let this sit for 5 minutes and then come back and I'll show you how I get rid of it and everything like that. So this is how my brows are looking afterwards. Now I obviously need to wipe off this tint and everything. So I'm just using a damp paper towel. It says that you want to use soap and everything, but however, I don't want to use soap due to my brow lamination. So I'm not gonna use soap and we're just going to not use soap and it should be fine. Like it's coming off and it actually looks really good. That's what's crazy. So last but not least, they have the treatment oil. This is from the Ardell thing. And it says you want to use a spoolie and apply that to your brows. So I'm now going to do that. Okay, so this is how my brows are looking and everything. I'm gonna go show you in like better lighting than my bathroom lighting. So give me one moment. Okay, so this is how my brows look in natural lighting. And this is how they look in vanity lighting. And honestly, I'm so pleased. I think they look so good for me to have done them at home. Like, this is really good and I'm really proud of myself. I would definitely do this because this cost me at most 30 bucks, maybe, barely that. So yeah, get you this stuff and do your own eyebrows because no one wants to pay like $80+. And this stuff will last me. Like, I can use this stuff again, mind you. So yeah, I definitely recommend getting this stuff and doing your brows at home. But we have come to the end of today's video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.